Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're traveling back to the golden age of American luxury sedans, the late 1970s, to explore one of the most elegant cruisers of its time, the 1977 Oldsmobile 98 Regency. Exterior. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement of prestige, comfort, and American pride on wheels. So buckle up as we take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and what made it such an unforgettable symbol of Oldsmobile's glory days. From the moment you lay eyes on the 1977 Oldsmobile 98 Regency, you know you're looking at something grand. This car was built on General Motors' new downsized C-body platform, making it shorter, lighter, and more efficient than its 1976 predecessor, yet still unmistakably luxurious. Up front, you get that signature split grille, framed by quad-rectangular headlamps and enough chrome to reflect the entire neighborhood. The long, flat hood leads into clean, formal lines that stretch all the way to the squared-off rear end, a true hallmark of 70s American luxury design. Its massive chrome bumpers, opera windows, and the padded vinyl roof on the Regency model added that extra touch of class that made this car stand out at every stoplight. And with its bold colors and elegant wheel covers, the 98 Regency looked every bit the part of a luxury flagship, ready to glide down Main Street or pull up to a country club. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by what feels more like a living room on wheels than a car. The 98 Regency's interior was designed for comfort and serenity, deep, button-tufted velour seats that practically swallowed you whole, plush carpeting, and an array of wood-grain trim across the dash and doors. Every detail screamed luxury, from the tilt steering wheel and power windows to the optional 8-track stereo and climate control system. The cabin was whisper quiet thanks to heavy insulation, and passengers in both front and rear enjoyed massive legroom and headroom, something today's sedans can only dream about. And of course, let's not forget the famous pillow seating, exclusive to the Regency line. It wasn't just a seat, it was a throne for the road. Performance. Under that long hood, the 1977 Oldsmobile 98 Regency came standard with a 403 cubic inch 6.6-liter rocket V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission. It wasn't built for speed, this was all about smooth, effortless cruising. With around 185 horsepower, it had enough torque to glide you down the highway at 70 miles per hour with barely a whisper from the engine. Thanks to the downsized body, it was actually more fuel efficient than previous models, which was a big deal during the post-oil crisis era. The ride quality was pure Oldsmobile, soft, comfortable, and silent. It soaked up bumps like a sponge, making long-distance travel a true pleasure. Power steering, power brakes, and that famous GM suspension made handling easy, even though this car still measured over 220 inches long. The 1977 Oldsmobile 98 Regency marked the beginning of a new chapter for American luxury, downsized, but still dripping with comfort, class, and confidence. It showed that Oldsmobile could adapt to changing times without sacrificing the elegance and presence that made the 98 a legend. Today, it's a cherished classic, a symbol of an era when luxury meant softness, silence, and chrome. So whether you see one gliding down the boulevard or sitting polished at a car show, remember, the 1977 Oldsmobile 98 Regency isn't just a car. It's a time capsule of American sophistication. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car reviews every week. Drop a comment below, what's your favorite Oldsmobile of all time? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those engines running and the chrome shining.